Audio
Despite challenges and adversities, life keeps on moving and human beings and behavior keeps on evolving by and forth. With the expectation of good days ahead, I, Anusha Agarwal, your host and anchor, wish to take you on board STS News Desk for the latest news and updates. Online teaching seminars have been organized to update and upgrade teachers and students of St. Teresa School. Cyber safety being a major concern, teachers were given training about the same. Schools and colleges will reopen across India after August 2020, said Union HRD Minister Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal. CBSE will be ready with a rationalized curriculum within months, said Board Chairman Mr. Manoj Ahuja. Labour needs incentive to return to work after mass exodus. L&T CEO Mr. S.N. Subramaniam says financial year 2021 is a tough year ahead. So now, let us have a look at the international happenings. Scientists discover distant mirror image of the Earth and the Sun. Russia oil spill. US offers help in cleaning huge Arctic Circle fuel spill. India at G7. US President Donald Trump has officially invited Prime Minister Narendra Modi to join the G7 summit likely to be held in September in America. But the membership to the elite group is a long way away. Thank you.
The coronavirus outbreak has spread rapidly across the world from China's Wuhan. Thousands of people have died, not just in China, but also in many parts of the world, which is creating a state of panic that should be avoided. As we know, still, there is no cure or vaccine for coronavirus. We have to keep ourselves safe and build our immunity. With many questions pondering around the world's food pay regarding the nutrition need of the hour, I, Gaganpreet Kaur, anchor, News Desk dealing with Corona, would take you on board for the presentation.
Corona disease is caused by COVID-19 virus. The virus contains a protein coat and RNA as its genetic material. It spreads from one person to another person through droplets that comes out from the nose and mouth of an infected person while sneezing and coughing. If we want a healthy person not to get infected from this disease, we must ensure a barrier that prevents the entry of these infected droplets into our body, and that will be a mask. But even a mask is effective only if it is placed the right way.
Always wash your hands before wearing a mask. Ensure that the pleats or folds of mask should be downward while wearing it. Now place the mask carefully to cover mouth, nose and chin area completely and tie it securely behind your head. First, the upper laces and then the lower laces should be tied. In case of surgical mask or N95 mask, fit the flexible band to the nose bridge to avoid any gap between face and the mask. Don't touch the front area of mask because it is contaminated. Now, to remove mask, wash your hands and then remove it using appropriate technique. First, untie the upper laces and then lower one carefully and put it in a polythene bag after folding and immediately wash your hands. Then dispose it off in a yellow waste bag or a biomedical waste disposal unit in hospitals.
So stay safe, stay at home. Thank you. Dear viewers, mask being the primary thing when we are heading towards this new phase. Mask is complemented by other precautions that are must to keep us safe during this corona period. Let us go through a few of them.
Meals and diets can be planned in accordance with the requirement of our body in present scenario. Not only our diet but also our lifestyle will have impact on our health. So avoid being a couch potato. If you are stressed, which is almost inevitable in present times, try coping with sleep, meditation, fun family activities or taking time out for hobbies. Do not indulge in smoking or alcohol consumption. Whenever we go to centrally air-conditioned places like supermarkets, shopping malls or hospitals, we have to be extra careful as the droplet infection in these places stay longer. The sole reason being poor dispersion of fresh air. Avoid touching your face and nose. Avoid eating junk food. because it is mostly deep fried, resulting in loss of major vitamins. As reheated and reused oil is used for making these dishes, they contain harmful toxins. Junk food also contain high amount of salts and sugar in them. Junk food is usually made up of maida, which does not have any minerals, fibers or vitamins present. Most importantly, do not go out unnecessarily. Avoid sharing your articles with other person. Frequent hand washing is a short method to prevent infection. Also, the use of mask is absolutely necessary.
Corona survival rate in India is higher. Major factors contributing towards it is an individual's immunity, person's own immunity.
What is the best diet to prevent corona? Today's topic is gut, immunity and diet to stay safe. Walking, running, exercise. For all functions to happen, water is the medium inside the body. Thus, 8 glasses of water every day is essential for your body. 70% of your immune system lies in the digestive system. It contains 500 species of bacteria that help in the absorption of whatever you eat. Without sufficient bacteria, all your nutrients can go in the flush, literally. Your diet should contain probiotics like curd, kanji, buttermilk, help in digestion and absorption. As antibodies are made up of protein, your diet should contain pulses, milk products, fish and egg. Now let's not forget the veggies. Your diet should contain colored fruits. They contain minerals, vitamins and antioxidants which help to build immunity. Fiber and roughage like whole grains, salads, fruits help food to move in the gut and flush waste out of the body. Dry fruits act as supplement for any deficiency in food and source of some minerals. Vitamin D is crucial. To manage levels of vitamin D in our diet, we should either soak in sun for some time or go for supplements.
Ew, I thought this is Coke. What is this?
This is Ayush Kadha, Buddhu.
Ayush Kada?
Yes, Ayush Kadha. Don't you know what all difficult times we have been through?
Yes.
And as Dadima says, our immunity is like a Suraksha Kavach.
Immunity?
Yes, immunity. And to have a good immune system, we need to stay fit.
Fit, but how?
What how? As Dadima says, by drinking Ayush Kadha and by staying active.
But how do you know?
Chal, I'll show you.
What makes our immunity stronger? Does Ayush Kada increase immunity? To answer these questions, first let's understand the challenges faced by our immune system. In our body, the metabolic reactions produce oxidants which are unstable and seek electrons from their surroundings, which may destroy the cell. To counter them, our foods provide us with antioxidants. If we do not have sufficient amount of antioxidants in our body, our immune system will have to step up and fight this internal disturbance. Hence, it will be overburdened. Antioxidants are provided by a variety of fruits, grains, vegetables, etc. The next challenge is stress. How does stress weaken immunity? Any kind of stress causes our body to release stress hormones. When stress hormones are released unnecessarily and in high amount, it overtires our immune system, making us sensitive to sickness. If we want our immune system to work completely in best way to fight COVID-19, we require a great supply of antioxidants, anti-stress agents, antibacterial and antiviral agents. The components of Ayush Kada are storehouse of power foods which are rich in these properties, making it a great support to our immune system.
Brisk walking or rigorous exercises enhance the activity of antibodies in our body, and these antibodies fight with the microbes, and these microbes are earlier detected by antibodies by brisk walking or rigorous exercises. Basically, walking reduces the stress hormones and enhances some good hormones, and by reduction of these stress hormones, our immune system enhances. During and after exercises, rise of body temperature basically reduce the formation and growth of microbes.
I know what you must be thinking of right now. You must be thinking if you read that right or not. Well, you did. Here we present to you a brand new series consisting of random and interesting facts about probably anything you can think of, or maybe even beyond that. I am Adya Tripathi and I will be joined by my friend Vedant Shri Krishna to introduce you to this brand new series. So let's get on with it.
Hey Adya, did you know that the heart of a blue whale is so big that even humans can swim through its arteries?
Oh really? Well, I did not know that. But did you know that seahorses pair for life and hold each other's tails while traveling? Isn't that cute?
Yup, and I know something about cows that's cute too. Cows have best friends and may get depressed when parted.
Aha, well, they sure do have quite a friendship there. But you know, wolves can go for more than a week without eating.
That's quite long. I won't survive longer than an hour or two. But I know something about flying snakes that I think is interesting. They can glide distances up to 330 feet and can turn mid-air.
Wow, that's a long distance. But I know something more interesting. You know, hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards.
That's interesting. But do you know that howler monkeys can be heard from 3 miles away?
Hey, that's a long distance too. Well guys, I think we're all caught up for now. So I guess we'll see you all next time. Thank you.
Keep watching STS Times, like, subscribe and share our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss any latest updates from STS Times.